Today we have a pair of Kilty monk strap shoes from Canali Shoemakers, and as you can see, the toe's been chewed up by what appears to be a dog. That's what my customer told me. But we're going to see what we can do for this pair today. So just stay tuned and let's see the magic. We got to make sure to prep and clean the damaged area so we can start our sanding process and start applying some coats of filler. And there we go, everyone. They look good as new, ready to go. Just kidding. Got a lot more work to do, but they're coming along so far. While we got this layer drying, we're going to go ahead and singe any stray fibers or stray threads and get this looking a little bit sharper. So, like to use our Saphir Renovateur. Amazing stuff, hydrates leather very well. So, can't talk more highly about this stuff right here. It's awesome stuff. So, I'm gonna give it a shot and. Now my normal shoe shining process will start, and I guess I'll finish it out from here. I honestly surprised myself with how well these shoes came out, and I hope you were impressed as well. They look great and look brand new, so if you could, just leave a comment on this video if you liked it, and maybe subscribe or give it a like. Appreciate your time. Hope you have a good one.